Dean, and I want to show you 3 of my Thomas and Friends trains. This one is Trackmaster Emily, Talking Emily, and Normal Emily. This one's Trackmaster Henry, Light Up Review Henry, and Talking Henry. Automatic Edward, Wooden Railway Edward, and Talking Edward.
Can you show us the differences between some of the engines?
This one goes by itself, but these 2 don't. This one talks. And this one it's cab like that. This one is just the normal one. It doesn't make any sound or go. Talking Emily, and Automatic Emily. Automatic Edward, Normal Wooden. He doesn't make any noise, but he does fit on wooden railway track. Taking Away Edward, it talks.
Which ones are your favorites?
All of them.
Is there anything else you want to tell us about your fun engines?
No.
All right.